man, it's the fool. Was good with y'all. Coming with another trade recap. Decent day. Took three trades. A little too much for my liking, but 2 wins, 1 loss. And yeah, let's just go over it. So yeah, currently we're having typical Monday price action. So maybe should have stepped away after the first W, but hey, who knows? But after market open, we dump a lot. We break out of the 5 minute open range, the 10 minute opening range. Not quite the 15 minute. However, I was bearish because of this huge dump. Not only that, on ES we trade into this fair value gap and reject off of it. Where on NQ we don't even necessarily trade into it, so we have an SMT there, which is pretty much when I'm looking for an entry. I believe I find it here when we trade into this 1 minute gap. Then I scale down to the lower time frame. Let me find my chart executions because I don't even know when I took the trade. Okay, I sold here. So we trade into this 15-second gap that already previously got respected. It's been getting respected this whole time, pretty much. So we trade into it, and then we get a nice rejection off of it. Get a change of the state at these lows. So I enter off that candle. Stops above the range, I believe. And then I'm targeting these lows. Solid RR. Then take a partial at this low. Rest stop that at break even. I then take another trade because after trading into the gap again, we get a good reaction. Maybe I didn't lose any money from this trade though because I was risking the profits of my last trade. So this brought me to break even. I sold here because we inversed this gap, but there was a gap below, so maybe it wasn't the smartest move. I get stopped out and lose my profits. Then I take another trade because not only do we get another reaction off the gap, that wasn't all I took it off. We get a reaction of this gap that also inverses these gaps right here. Inverses both of these gaps, and we trade into it and then close below it. So I take another short for a partial win at these lows. I didn't even hit the low, but I did have the limit a little bit above, like right here, because I feared that we might not hit the low because this is pretty high resistance liquidity. So gotta adjust accordingly, and end up paying off, I guess. Ended up paying off. I wouldn't have got filled, and my stop loss would have got hit. Decent day. Typical Monday, honestly, where we get a move, then we start to chop. Maybe shouldn't have traded in this chop, but your mind's in different places when you're actually on the charts. But decent day overall, small win.